Hi, I'm Justin Keay, Field Specialist in Horticulture with MU Extension. I'm joined today by Londa Nwadike, our State Food Safety Specialist with MU Extension. Thanks for joining us today, Londa.
Yeah, thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
So you got two produce safety trainings coming up that growers might be interested to learn more about. Tell us about this GAPS Food Safety Plan workshop.
Yeah, so this workshop, we offer it online, so you can join from wherever you are. And it's on March 7, as it shows here, 1:30 to 3:30. And if the $5 is an issue, we can get you to register for free. We just wanted to try to make sure that people come if they sign up. But so that training really will walk through the steps of if you do want to get GAP certified. It will walk through exactly all the paperwork that's needed to do that, the records that you need to have, and all the documentation that you need if you want to get GAP certified. We focus specifically on USDA GAP certification, but this could also be helpful for other GAPS auditors that you might be using as well.
Awesome. And so in addition to the GAPS training, it looks like there's also a upcoming Food Safety Modernization Act produce safety grower training. Can you tell us a little bit more about that one?
Yeah, so, and I should have mentioned when I talked about the GAPS. So GAPS is a marketplace requirement. So, a buyer might tell you, I will buy from you if you're GAP certified. So that previous workshop that I talked about, that will help you to meet that marketplace requirement. There's also regulatory requirements that are, governmental regulatory requirements. So FSMA is the Food Safety Modernization Act. And so if you're covered by FSMA, there is a requirement that you get training, and this training would then accomplish that. It's also good for anybody, whether you're covered by the Food Safety Modernization Act produce safety rule or not, just to get good produce safety training. If you're going to be raising fruits and vegetables to sell, this training will really help you to learn the basics of produce safety. So this is online as well. So again, you can join from anywhere. It's 2 evenings, so we're going from 4 to 8 p.m. on March 1st and March 2nd. And we'll cover, we cover just, we have an introduction, we cover worker handling and hygiene, we cover soil amendments, we cover wildlife and domesticated animals, we cover water, post-harvest handling, and then we cover just food safety record keeping as well. So it gives you a lot of information. It's free for Missouri and Kansas producers, and if you're from out of the state, we do have to charge because we have to pay for the manual. You'll get a manual that goes along with it, which is a great reference, and then you can get a certificate from taking the training too. So those things do have a cost, but if you're from Missouri or Kansas, we can provide it for free.
Awesome. Yeah, that's a great training. And like you said, whether your farm's covered or not, really a lot of great resources there to kind of learn what the produce safety risks are on your farm, and then managing those risks as well.
Yeah.
So I'll put links to register for both these classes in the YouTube video description. And then if you're wondering if your farm is covered or not covered by the FSMA produce safety rule, I'll include a link in the description as well. So you can pull up some information to see whether your farm is or is not covered by the FSMA produce safety rule. Well, thank you so much for your time, Londa. We appreciate you joining us.
Yes, thank you. And if you ever have questions related to produce safety, please feel free to reach out, or any food safety topic, please feel free to reach out with any questions.
And we'll put Dr. Nwadike's email address in the description as well.